Hi, sweeties. We are doing another Ninja Foodi grill versus the new Ninja Foodi Smart Grill XL. Today, we are doing battle frozen chicken wings. That's right. Those two batches of chicken wings that you see right there in front of you were cooked from frozen less than 30 minutes. I'm going to show you how we do it. But first, please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell. And now let's get into these chicken wings. So we have our original Ninja Foodi ready to go, as well as the new Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. And we have some frozen chicken wings. Each bag has 2 pounds of chicken wings. So we're going to show you how to cook these on the air crisp mode from frozen and get a deliciously crispy and saucy and juicy wing. Let's take a look at each air crisp basket. Both air crisp baskets are 4 quarts, but this original Ninja Foodi grill air crisp basket is about 8.5 by 10 inches by about 3.5 inches. Whereas the new Ninja Foodi grill comes in at about 7.25 inches by 12.5 by about 2.5 inches deep. This is really simple. We're going to start by preheating the Ninja Foodi. We'll start with the original Ninja Foodi. We'll hit air crisp, set the temperature to 375 degrees and the timer to 30 minutes. Now, you might not need all that time, so we will watch it and see what we need. That's preheating. Let's get over to our new Ninja Foodi XL Smart Grill, and we're going to do the same thing. We hit the air crisp setting, set the temperature to 375 degrees and the timer for 30 minutes and start. Now that our original Ninja Foodi grill is hot, it says add food. So that's what we're going to do. We'll get those frozen wings in there, and we want them to be in one layer so that they will cook quickly and evenly. Take a look there. Yep. And shut it down. We're going to start. We'll be back in about 12 minutes. Let's head on over to the new Ninja Foodi Grill XL and do the same thing. Get those wings in there in one layer and let it go for just about 12 minutes. That's going to partially cook them. We're going to let those cook for 12 minutes. Then we're going to open the lids, season them up, and spritz them with a little oil. Then close the lids and let them finish cooking. Time to check on those wings. They are pale and they are still pretty much raw on the inside. Now is the time when we add our seasoning. That's right, sprinkle some seasoned salt on there, and I will put the link to my seasoned salt recipe in the description box, so check that out. We'll toss those wings around to make sure that the seasoning gets all over. Now, we're going to take a spray bottle and spritz them with a little oil. And I'll put the link to this Cuisinart oil sprayer in the description box as well. I think it works much better than the Misto. We'll toss them around again and spritz it with a little more oil just to make sure it's evenly coated. And then we will put the lid down and let them cook further. Now we will head on over to the new Ninja Foodi Smart Grill XL. We're going to do the same thing. Spritz with a little oil. Season it up with that seasoned salt. I keep a big old jar. It's time for me to make some more seasoned salt. I put this on everything. We're going to toss those around to distribute that seasoning. And we will let these wings finish cooking. And then when they are almost done, we're going to brush with a little bit of oil. Now, let's check on the wings that are in the original Ninja Foodi grill. Oh, look at that. Now, these are delicious right now with no sauce. I actually like my wings just like this, but today we're going to add a little barbecue sauce. This is from Kaivan Foods cherry apple barbecue sauce. Like, that's a great flavor combination. I'll put a link to this Kaivan barbecue sauce in the description box. It's sweet but not too sweet, tangy. I mean, have you ever had cherry apple barbecue sauce? Like, it's an amazing flavor and a great small business to support. We're going to toss those wings around a little bit more. And then we're going to get a bit more of that barbecue sauce and just drizzle it on there and get our basting brush and brush it all around. And then we're going to close the lid down and let this barbecue sauce sort of char and cook onto a glaze just for another minute or two. If you cook it for too long, it can burn. You know, the sugars in the barbecue sauce can burn, and you don't want that. Let's head over to the new Ninja Foodi XL Smart Grill. And you see, these wings are not quite as brown. The wings in the original Ninja Foodi tend to get more brown. It just does a better job of browning, but they're fully cooked. And we will brush that delicious cherry apple barbecue sauce on, toss it around. We're going to do that same thing. Toss them around a bit, brush a little more glaze on to make sure that sauce is all over those wings. So we'll do another drizzle of the sauce. It's really good, y'all. And then we will get our basting brush and brush it all over to make sure that it's well coated. Put that lid down, and we're not going to leave it for all that time because it can burn. Just keep an eye on it. Look at the color. These are done. Oh, I love that deep color that food gets when it chars a bit. And you see again in the original Ninja Foodi, it just gets darker. It does has a larger heating element, and maybe that is what it has to do with the darker color. So you can see them here side by side in the original Ninja Foodi grill and the new Ninja Foodi Smart Grill XL. Let's get them on a plate and look at them from the original Ninja Foodi. Those wings are gorgeous. Don't you just want to reach and pluck one right off the screen? So good. Now, let's take a look at the wing over in the new Ninja Foodi Smart Grill. I mean, they look great. They look great. But the proof is in the tasting. If you want more, I'm ready to eat, y'all. I'm going to grab a couple of wings and taste them right now. Let's go. Our chicken wings are done. Now let's see if there's any difference in the taste. We'll start with a chicken wing drumette from the original Ninja Foodi grill. It's nice and juicy. It's well cooked. It's a good wing. And now a wing from the new Ninja Foodi grill. They both get such a nice char on them. And again, it's a juicy wing, well cooked. I don't know, folks. It's gonna be a tough one to decide. They both did a great job on these wings, so I gotta call it a draw. I'm gonna call it a draw. This is the first draw that I've had doing these Ninja Foodi grill versus the new Ninja Foodi XL Smart Grill. Both did a wonderful job on these wings, so it's a tie. I know you hate to hear it. You want a clear winner, but it's both wonderful. Both cooked perfectly. I mean, anytime you're cooking, you got to keep an eye on it, especially after you coat it with a glaze with some sugar in it because it can burn very quickly. So keep your eye and your nose out for any burning, but great job. There you have it, sweeties. In the battle, Ninja Foodi Grill versus the new Ninja Foodi Smart Grill XL. I'm going to call it a tie. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to watch my other Foodi Grill versus Foodi Grill videos where I do grilled steak and spatchcock chicken. Yes. Be sure to watch both of those and get more information on the Ninja Foodi Grill and the Ninja Foodi Grill XL. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant, hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and have a delicious day.